Let me show you how to fix Android Auto not working. Now, if you're on your phone trying to connect it to your car, but it's not working, it's not popping up or syncing correctly, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, first just swipe up and open up the settings on your Android phone. We need to first go within Android Auto settings, change a couple of things in here and a couple other places. Now, the first step, of course, if you've never used Android Auto, you need to set it up. So you can set up with using a USB port, or you can connect using wireless Android Auto. Just go in here and press and hold the voice command and start connecting your phone to your car. Now, I assume you've already done that. If you have already done that, you need to make sure Start Android Auto is either set to always, or basically you can also switch it to default, but I would recommend always. You also want to turn on Start Android Auto while locked so that it always automatically turns on. After we've done those things, you need to also get into the Android Auto app itself and do a couple of things. So let's navigate to the Android Auto settings. And from here under permissions, we need to have access to everything. If there's anything that doesn't have allow permissions for, you can choose to allow permissions while using the app. You can see in this case location, but if you want to make phone calls, you need to make sure phone is turned on, etc. Now, in addition to doing all these app permissions, we also need to go down and go to storage. And we're just going to clear the cache and clear the data for it. This will help refresh and reset everything in the Android Auto app. And we're just going to do a force stop. And then after we've done all of that, we've reconfigured everything. We've essentially turned everything on. I would also recommend just swiping down from the top right, tapping the start button, and then just hitting restart. So restart your Android phone. Now that we've refreshed everything, it should be working normally.